Your new Toyota in many ways is just like a newborn baby. Just as your most important visit back to the pediatrician is when your child is 6 months of age. I'm Nick Cardin, Vice President and General Manager here at Puente Hills Toyota, the House of Yes. Please look at your new Toyota the very same way. Your newborn Toyota's most important visit is when it's reached 5,000 miles or 6 months from now. Our factory-trained technicians will perform a complete diagnosis of your new baby, including checking the fluids levels and topping off everything. We even rotate your tires and retorque the lug nuts. All of this is performed to ensure everything on your new Toyota is getting broken in and all of the moving parts are getting seated properly, so you and your family are ensured the very best mileage and performance from your new car. Our finance manager will make your first service appointment, and our service department will be contacting you to confirm the service appointment when you get closer. Also, as just our way of saying thanks for using us for your service needs, please watch your email for a $5 Subway coupon, which you can use towards a meal here at our in-dealership Subway when you bring your new baby in for its very first service at Puente Hills Toyota, the House of Yes.